This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Lori Strickland. A modern farmhouse with a gracious wrap-around front porch, great for rocking. So many big-ticket items have already been completed for you. Roof replaced 2010, windows replaced 2011, leaf guard gutters, and the home boasts an encapsulated crawl space with a dehumidifier. Fresh paint throughout. Tons of storage space. Impeccable Landscaping completes this private backyard oasis, with a full wooden fence and a shed with power. This home is in the Hickory School District, and is moments to shopping and dining options, and most importantly, this home boasts, according to the sellers, the best neighbors ever. For more information, review the details below.